Welcome to this mindful morning meditation. Take this time to center yourself, allowing your body and mind a moment of peace before the day begins. Find a comfortable position, relaxed yet alert. When you are ready, gently close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, then slowly exhale, releasing any tension you are holding on to. Let's repeat that together. Take another deep breath in, filling yourself with fresh, vibrant energy. Hold it, and now release. One more time. Deep inhale and slow exhale. Feel the air energizing your body, grounding you in this beautiful new morning. Now, bring your attention to your body, focusing first on the top of your head. Scan slowly down. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. No judgment here. Simply observe. Imagine your breath gently traveling to those areas, encouraging them to soften and relax. Feel your forehead smoothing out, your jaw unclenching, your shoulders dropping away from your ears. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and belly as you breathe, embracing the stillness of the morning and the calmness it brings within. Shift your attention to the present moment. Notice any sounds around you, birds chirping, the hum of your environment. Let these sounds be part of your experience without judgment or attachment. Feel the surface beneath you, whether it's the floor, a chair, or a bed. Notice these points of contact, grounding you deeply into the peaceful energy of this moment. Take a deep breath in, lifting your arms overhead and stretching your fingertips towards the sky. As you exhale, lower your arms back down to your sides. Repeat this movement a few times. Gently tilt your head to the right, letting your ear move towards your shoulders. Hold here, feeling a stretch along the left side of your neck. Then return to center. Tilt your head to the left, stretching along the right side. Now, roll your shoulders forward in slow, circular motions and reverse the direction. With each movement, imagine any leftover tension melting away in the gentle warmth of the morning. Bring your focus back to your senses. Notice the texture of your clothes against your skin, the sip of fresh air around you, or perhaps the faint smell of morning dew or coffee. Take a moment to savor these sensations, fully appreciating the richness they bring to this morning. Now, quietly set an intention for your day. It could be as simple as cultivating patience, kindness, or focus. Or maybe it's a specific goal or a way you wish to interact with others. Hold this intention in your mind and in your heart, letting it guide you through the morning and into your day. As you hold onto your intention, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am calm and centered. I approach this morning with positivity and openness. I can handle anything that comes my way. I bring kindness and compassion to myself and others. Feel the truth of these affirmations resonating deeply within you, supporting you as your day begins. Take a few final deep breaths, feeling a sense of energy, calmness, and clarity washing over you. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if you need to, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of mindfulness and intention with you, letting it infuse every moment of your day. Thank you for joining this mindful morning meditation. Subscribe for more ways to stay mindful every day.